So our dinghy motor is not doing so well. We're rowing into shore to see if we can get some work, figure out what's going on, take the carburetor apart with a friend. Dallin's rowing our entire family from mooring to the marina right now. Very slow going.
Come on, slow, fast.
You want to do this all the time, right now?
Oh, would you say you want to do it all the time?
Yeah.
This is what I like about these things. Wow, that starts easier than it did before, right?
Oh, so much better.
It's never started.
That one right there does the same thing. That little four-stroke.
No, that's never.
It's never started like that once, no. When I get back, you better pick me up from the airport and take me straight out here. Hear that? When I get back from Texas. So this week we are installing our windlass, and the boys and I are headed to Texas for a week. Dallin is going to be on board Kaizen, finishing up all our projects. But today, we're installing the windlass. We're getting her bedded down. We have to drill some holes through our giant block of teak here, and the fiberglass, and the stainless steel backing plate. It's a little intense. Anyways.
Torrance in the rope. My brother's in the rope locker. I'm in the chain locker.
Hi,
Mama. Hello. Hello. Moo.
Just drilled our plug out of here, so the windlass will sit here, and the chain goes down through here, the hose pipe, and then the wires will be fed down through here. And so this is what we did drill through. So this is all teak, the teak block, and then right here you can see fiberglass. After you get through the teak, there's some sealant here, and then you can see the coring material right here, balsa core, and then more fiberglass. So, and then now I'm against the stainless steel backing plate, drilling through that. So what we'll do is we go and scrape out some of this on the inside, and then we'll put some epoxy on there so that no water can ever get down into the core. That's a really nice dry core, so that's good.
In Texas, me and the boys. Dallin is almost done with the windlass and is going to anchor here in the next day or two, which is really exciting. So hope you enjoyed our weekly update, and next week we will be out on anchor, which is exciting, and we will be heading back to Florida. Anyways, hope you guys have a wonderful week.